Are you looking for the best camping chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best camping chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong is our favorite camping chair and one of two we deem the most comfortable. The King Kong has consistently been the first chair snagged whenever our test team gathers around a campfire. The slightly padded fabric makes it ideal for long lounging sessions, and the seat itself is exceptionally roomy if a bit slouchy with an incredibly stable frame. The listed weight capacity is 800 pounds, and as a result, the reinforced fabric is very durable. Testers appreciated all of the functional storage features, including 2 cup holders, 2 side pockets, and an additional small pocket behind the headrest. The setup of this chair is super simple and only takes a matter of seconds. All this comfort and added reinforcement come at a cost. With extra features come several extra pounds, making the King Kong one of the heaviest single-person chairs in our lineup. It also doesn't offer a headrest, so it's not the best pick for an afternoon snooze. That said, we think this chair will stand up to all of your needs for camping, tailgating, fishing, or anything else. If you're shopping for a comfortable chair or use a camping-specific chair regularly and don't mind a bit of bulk, we highly recommend the King Kong. Those looking to maximize comfort in a lightweight package should check out the Helinox Sunset, which also offers a personalized headrest. At number 2. GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro. The GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro is a simple chair that offers solid performance for less than you might expect. It has a fairly tall seat and back to match widely splayed arms, offering plenty of space to sit high above the ground. It's not the most supportive seat we tested, but it's above average among its competition, leaving slouchy folding sports chairs in the dust when it comes to supporting your full weight. The angled back continues that level of support without making you feel like you're collapsing in on yourself the longer you sit. A mesh panel keeps air flowing across the spine even on a hot day, while a single cup holder perfectly fits your favorite refreshing 12-ounce canned beverage. Unfortunately, there's nowhere to stash your favorite oversized tumbler on the Comfort Pro. Furthermore, there are no large pockets for snacks, magazines, or books, just one small pocket that's sized to hold your smartphone. With full-length crossed steel bars running the entire back of the chair, this chair becomes quite a long package, made slightly more awkward by the lack of adjustability of the carry strap. And for those with shorter legs, the 20-inch high front edge might lead to dangling feet. But if you're taller, larger framed, or older and want a supportive seat that's easy to get out of, this budget-friendly model easily fits the bill. Shorter folks might prefer the inexpensive REI Co-op Skyward, which sits lower to the ground. At number 3. Yeti Trailhead. If you're looking for a luxurious camp chair to enhance your glamping experience, look no further than the Yeti Trailhead. This ultra-durable and ergonomic design features maximum comfort, making our testers want to trade this camp chair for their office chairs. The FlexGrid fabric is supportive of the body while also allowing for breathability due to the perforated material. Everything about this chair speaks to luxury, from the intuitive and easy setup to the crossover style, which enhances stability and sturdiness. The carry bag is thoughtfully designed and features not one but 2 straps, allowing for options depending on how far you need to carry. Even the zipper on the carry bag is heavy-duty and designed to last. Unfortunately, this chair is large and weighs 13.3 pounds, and the price tag is a bit shocking. However, our testers are certain you won't be disappointed in this investment if you want to purchase something for the long haul. Those who aren't ready to invest can still enjoy a comfy, stable, and durable seat at a fraction of the price with other options like the top-performing ALPS Mountaineering King Kong. At number 4. Kelty Low Loveseat. The Kelty Low Loveseat amazes us with its incredibly comfortable 2-person design. This model was very stable, with a lower seating height than most traditional camping chairs. While the feet of our shorter testers rested comfortably on the ground, Kelty also makes a version that's several inches taller. Made of durable materials, this chair can stand up to the trials of seating multiple people and even dogs for extended periods. After 3 straight years of regular use and some severe sun exposure, it's fading a bit but is still as comfortable as the first day we got it. This chair has grown on our lead tester the longer she has owned it, a credit to its impressive longevity and comfort. Aside from the overall size and weight, our biggest complaint was how popular the Low Loveseat was with our friends, leaving us less time to enjoy its outstanding attributes. As a padded chair, it's also less breathable on a hot day, but with light colors, we hardly noticed. For its comfort and durability, as well as its ability to seat a couple of friends, we think this chair is worth considering. If you're shopping for a one-person design, the REI Co-op Skyward sports a breathable mesh that's great for hot weather. At number 5. Helinox Chair One. The Helinox Chair One is the lightest and most packable camping chair that we tested. The perforated polyester seat material helps lighten the load of the design as well as provide more comfort on hot summer days thanks to increased breathability. Our testing team found themselves reaching for this chair when space was limited, or we needed to be conscious of every ounce on a backcountry jaunt. Although this design doesn't offer the comfort of padded material or armrests, we're confident the durable design will make up for it in overall packability. Measuring 14 inches long and weighing only 2 pounds, the Chair One is the standard when it comes to lightweight and compact performance. If you're on a tight budget, the GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro is a great pick featuring armrests, but it's not nearly as lightweight. At number 6. Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Chair. For anyone sick of that sports chair slouch, the Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Chair is the model you've been waiting for. The frame holds the seat and back fabric taut by locking it open to provide a firm foundation. A comfortably angled back panel promotes relaxation rather than rigidity. All this added support, combined with one of the tallest seat heights we tested, makes the Kijaro a natural standout for users who need a more stable base. And feel free to leave the annoying carry bag at home. This chair has an adjustable shoulder carry strap attached to the back of the frame. Once locked closed, it's easy to hoist it up and head out without carrying an additional storage bag. The interesting design of this chair makes the folded package exceptionally long, just shy of 4 feet. The length makes it less ideal for stuffing in the trunk, though it's still more than doable. While previous iterations made us think twice about durability, we experienced no issues during our recent testing period. Time to ditch those chairs that promote slouching and experience the comfort of ergonomic and upright support the Kijaro is known for. Those who want both great back support and packability should check out the Helinox Sunset. At number 7. Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Chair. For anyone sick of that sports chair slouch, the Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Chair is the model you've been waiting for. The frame holds the seat and back fabric taut by locking it open to provide a firm foundation. A comfortably angled back panel promotes relaxation rather than rigidity. All this added support, combined with one of the tallest seat heights we tested, makes the Kijaro a natural standout for users who need a more stable base. And feel free to leave the annoying carry bag at home. This chair has an adjustable shoulder carry strap attached to the back of the frame. Once locked closed, it's easy to hoist it up and head out without carrying an additional storage bag. The interesting design of this chair makes the folded package exceptionally long, just shy of 4 feet. The length makes it less ideal for stuffing in the trunk, though it's still more than doable. While previous iterations made us think twice about durability, we experienced no issues during our recent testing period. Time to ditch those chairs that promote slouching and experience the comfort of ergonomic and upright support the Kijaro is known for. Those who want both great back support and packability should check out the Helinox Sunset.